Hey guys, this is Soham here, and in this video I'm going to tell you that why Pop says that it saves space on your phone and keeps it light. Now I have several apps installed in my phone like everyone else does. This is because we need them in our day-to-day life. But do we even realize that how much of space do they consume? Let's go ahead and check it out. Facebook is 359 MB. Google search is 172 MB. YouTube is 125 MB. Twitter is 108 MB. Amazon is 85 MB. Instagram is 81 MB. 9gag is 50 MB. And InShots is 45 MB. If we calculate all of this, it comes up to 1 GB. 1 GB of space is consumed on your phone. Whereas Pop, that gives you a great experience and access to all of these apps inside it, consumes less than 50 MB. Isn't that just amazing? But what if we uninstall all of these apps? Can we still access all of them inside Pop? Let's just go ahead and check this out. Let me uninstall all of them here. Facebook, Amazon, Twitter, InShots, 9gags, Google search, YouTube, and Instagram. Now that I have uninstalled all of them, let me go to Pop. This is amazing. I can still access all of these apps inside Pop. Not just that, let me go to Instagram. I can like the post. Beautiful picture. Let me even comment over it. Wow. And I can also chat right on the app. Amazing. So guys, why don't you go ahead and enjoy a clutter-free experience using Pop? And I'll be back with much more exciting videos on Pop features. Do not forget to like and subscribe. See ya!